And breaking right now, a tri-state judge is now reviewing hundreds of new documents at the center of a shocking child abuse case in Brown County. The defense attorney for Margaret Breeze says the new information contained in those documents may help clear his client. We worked with our partners at the Brown County Press to interview attorney Nick Ring, and WCPO 9 News reporter Jasmine Miner joins us from the newsroom this morning with this exclusive story. Jasmine, good morning.
Good morning, Tamika. Well, Margaret Breeze's defense attorney Nicholas Ring says he wants the public to stop cherry-picking information on the alleged child abuse toward an 11-year-old girl, and he says it starts with very serious medical and psychiatric issues the young girl had prior to living in Breeze's foster home. Now, he says through his discovery process, he's found over 2,500 pages of evidence showing Breeze would on a weekly basis take the child to get medical and psychiatric treatments. Breeze is accused of starving and abusing the child so severely her life was in danger, according to court records, and documents show claims of Breeze locking the child in a trailer at night or giving her just one plate of rice for dinner at midnight. But Ring says those things are simply not true. He says these new medical records will show Margaret was doing everything she could to care for the child based on the advice she was given by doctors.
Put yourself in a situation where you're afraid to go to sleep at night because your other children are going to be harmed, or your house is going to be destroyed. At some point in time, she simply became overwhelmed.
Prosecutors also allege Margaret and her husband Charles locked the girl in the trailer all night, watched her with cameras, and they also say the 11-year-old girl was just 47 pounds and in liver failure when they found her. We're also told the child is now doing better, which of course is the silver lining of this case. And Ring says despite what the public thinks about this case, at the end of the day, 12 people will be the determination of what happens. And he says he is confident Breeze will receive a fair trial, and her pretrial hearing, we know now, is on March 17th. Tamika.
So much for that report. On now to other news. The other person charged with child abuse in this case, Margaret's husband, Charles Breeze, appeared in a Brown County court on Friday. He faced an additional charge of tampering with evidence. Prosecutors tell WCPO 9 News that they will file to have his case and his wife's case joined together.